Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a shop with me video through my Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree hauls, organizing, shop with me videos, please check out my channel and subscribe below. Okay, so right at the front of the store, I saw these white and gray bowls. In the school section, they had these color forms for adding and subtracting. My daughter is a bit too old for these, but these look really nice to have. And I also really like their clipboards. One of my favorite ways to use their clipboards is to have our daily schedule on there, and then I will let the clipboard rest in one of the frame holders from the decoration section. These were in the auto section, but these cases look very similar to the craft cases that the Dollar Tree used to have. Either way, they're pretty okay, I think. These are so cute. Okay, be honest. How many cases do you think are too many cases for earbuds? Some nice books again, and these are really cute. They're doodle books. The Wake Up and Doodle book, the Cheer Up and Doodle book. What these are prompts for you to get inspired to draw something. And I will stand by what I said a long time ago, which is I don't really think the Dollar Tree is one of the best places to buy school supplies. I know everything is $1, but if you buy school supplies like at the end of summer at places like Target or Office Depot, you can get some killer deals. And composition notebooks could be 25 cents or 10 cents. But if you're shopping at the Dollar Tree for school supplies, keep an eye out for name brand kinds of items. Like this composition notebook is not a Dollar Tree brand. And I could tell with the paper. These organizers are fantastic. I've used these for years. They have lasted really well, and I haven't had any fall apart on me yet. I think it's time to pick up a couple of these fraction circles. We'll be working on those. Right at the front with the sunglasses were these lens cleaner sprays. And in the beauty section, I saw these satin eye masks that are just so pretty. Some of the placement of these flowers, though, they look like eyes. So like these roses, they look like eyes. I saw a few different L'Oreal items, the dry shampoo, and then the Air Dry It Ruffled Body Mousse, and then a few hard candy and Wet n Wild items. For some reason, I could really see this in a frame. So you could cut the sides and put it in a frame, hang it up. These look really cute. Dream big, tough but sweet, and leave a little sparkle wherever, I think it says wherever you go. I really like the tough and sweet one with the gold there. And when you get your picture, you can hang it with removable picture strips. I have not tried the Dollar Tree brand of these yet. But they have these in black and white, or you can keep an eye out for the command version. They have command strips and command hooks. They just sell them in smaller packs than you would get at other stores. I thought this was kind of cute. It's a supersized solving colossal word hunt, and it's a giant poster, fun with friends. So I assume you all do this word hunt together. You could probably have a little contest or something, and then the person wins a nice prize at the end. And then near this in the book section was this reading comprehension book for my daughter. These came back to our store. I saw these a few months back. They're the Safe and Healthy Disinfecting UV Light. Also saw some new tinned fish. This is the Casablanca's sardines. I think they had 3 flavors in vegetable oil, mustard sauce, and water. I have tried the ones in vegetable oil on toast, and if you like fish, it was really good. I mentioned before about the toffee peanuts, how those are good, and I saw these today, the toffee cashews. I have not seen this version of Chex Mix yet. It's a sweet and salty honey. In case you like coconut, these taste really good. All right, so that is it for this Dollar Tree Shop With Me video. If you like this video and all things Dollar Tree, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.